Have you ever felt nervous when ordering food in English? Don't worry. In today's lesson, you'll learn exactly what to say at a restaurant. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to order food, ask for the menu, talk to the waiter, and pay the bill with confidence. Everything is easy. Slow and perfect for beginners, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Queenly Conversations. I'm Emma. Today we're going to practice a real English conversation at a restaurant. Listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and enjoy learning English. Part 1. Useful expressions. First, let's learn some useful expressions you'll hear at a restaurant. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers. 1.
Welcomes how many people?
A table for 2, please. 2.
Here is the menu.
Thank you. 3.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
4.
What would you like?
I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. 5.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like an orange juice, please.
6. Can I have a salad, please?
Of course.
7.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
8.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. 9. Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly, I'll bring it right away.
10.
Oh, the food was delicious.
Yes, it was excellent. Excellent. These are some of the most common English expressions you'll use at a restaurant. Practice them every day and you'll feel more confident ordering food in English. Next, let's listen to a slow conversation between Emma, David, and a waiter. Let's continue. Part 2, slow conversation. Now let's listen to a slow conversation. Emma and David are having lunch at a restaurant. Listen carefully and repeat after the speakers.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. How many people?
A table for 2, please.
Of course, please follow me.
Oh, thank you.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice, and for you, sir.
I'd like a bowl of soup, please.
Would you like something to drink?
I'd like some water, please.
And I'd like an orange juice, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Perfect, your food will be ready soon.
As I'm hungry.
Me too.
Enjoy your meal, Emma and David, thank you.
Excellent, that was a simple restaurant conversation. You learned how to ask for a table, order food, order drinks, and respond politely. Now let's listen to a more natural conversation with the same situation. Let's continue. Useful expressions in Part 2. A table for 2, please. Here is the menu. Are you ready to order? I'd like. Would you like something to drink? And anything else? No, that's all. Your food will be ready soon. Enjoy your meal. Part 3, natural conversation. Now let's listen to a more natural conversation. Emma and David are having lunch at a restaurant. Listen carefully and notice how they order food and talk to the waiter.
Good afternoon, welcome to Sunny Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
No problem, a table for 2.
Oh, yes, please.
This way, please. Here are your menus. Take your time.
Thank you, everything looks delicious.
I think I'll try the grilled chickens. What about you?
I'd like the spaghetti, it looks really good.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the spaghetti, please.
And I'd like the grilled chickens.
Excellent choices. Would you like something to drink?
I'd like an iced tea, please.
I'll have a glass of orange juice.
Perfect. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you very much. A few minutes later.
Here are your meals. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, everything looks wonderful.
This chicken is really delicious. You should try it.
Thanks, my spaghetti is delicious too.
I'm glad we came here today.
Me too, the food is great and the service is excellent. After finishing their meal, excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Certainly, here you are.
Let's come back again next weekend.
I'd love that. Excellent, that was a natural conversation at a restaurant. Now you know how to ask for a table, order food and drinks, enjoy a meal, and ask for the bill in English. Next, let's practice speaking together with our listen and repeat activity. Let's continue. Part 4, listen and repeat. Excellent, now it's time to practice your speaking. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin. 1. A table for 2, please. One more time. A table for 2, please. 2. May I see the menu, please? One more time. May I see the menu, please? 3. I'd like the spaghetti, please. One more time. I'd like the spaghetti, please. 4. I'd like an orange juice, please. One more time. I'd like an orange juice, please. 5. Would you like something to drink? One more time. Would you like something to drink? 6. No, that's all. Thank you. One more time. No, that's all. Thank you. 7. Enjoy your meal. One more time. Enjoy your meals. 8. Everything was delicious. One more time. Everything was delicious. 9. Could we have the bill, please? One more time. Could we have the bill, please? 10. Thank you for your excellent service. One more time. Thank you for your excellent service. Fantastic. You're doing an amazing job. These are common English expressions you'll hear and use in restaurants around the world. Practice them every day and you'll become more confident ordering food in English. Now let's finish today's lesson with a quick review and some final practice. Let's continue. Part 5, review today's expressions. Excellent work. Before we finish, let's review today's useful restaurant expressions one more time. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Repeat after me. A table for 2, please. May I see the menu, please? I'd like the spaghetti, please. I'd like an orange juice, please. Would you like something to drink? No, that's all, thank you. Enjoy your meal. Everything was delicious. Could we have the bill, please? Thank you for your excellent service. Wonderful, today you learned how to have a simple conversation at a restaurant. Now you know how to ask for a table, order food and drinks, talk to the waiter, and ask for the bill politely. These are useful English expressions that you can use when you travel or eat at a restaurant. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice every day. Listen carefully, repeat with confidence. And try to use these expressions in real-life situations whenever you can. Every conversation you practice helps you become a more confident English speaker. Ending, fantastic job today. Thank you for learning with Queenly Conversations. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned some useful English for everyday life. If this lesson helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more real-life English conversations. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to have an English conversation at the airport. You'll practice checking in, asking for your boarding gate, and talking to airport staff with confidence. So don't miss it. Until next time. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every day. I'm Emma. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.